Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Yeah, really boring price action, but we've actually seen a nice reaction to the micro support area once more, now the second time, and that's all okay. There's no need to change the wave count at the moment at all. And the roadmap still suggested one more high in wave C of 5 of C of B. So we'd still like to see here one more high. Well, it actually happened, at least compared to the Thursday high. But what I've been talking about, I would like to see this fifth wave reach above the top of the third. And the top of the third is around $3,680. So I'd really like to see the price stretch a little bit above that. And it hasn't done that yet. However, looking just at the micro here, or maybe before we talk about the micro, just for anybody who's new, the idea is that we're currently within a B wave, which is a corrective rally of a wave 4 correction. And that B wave should be followed by a C wave to the downside before that entire correction is over. The correction in, this wave B can unfold in different patterns. I've got an ABC structure here that I'm following primarily. I showed you yesterday in yesterday's video this ascending wedge pattern. Might be that we get the price to touch the upper boundary line, maybe slightly overshoot it, and that could be it. That could be it for this entire B wave corrective rally. But yeah, let's see. I mean, this C wave could still be unfolding. That would be ideal. But we talk about the micro in a minute. But the idea is that ideally it still stretches a little higher, possibly to 3,818 plus, because that is the 100% extension level of the A wave. And the C wave could reach that level, maybe even a little higher. So that's the larger degree target, right? To calculate those larger degree targets, we take the initial A and B waves and calculate a target for wave C. And that points to 3,818, possibly even a little higher, 3,964 or 4,056. But at the moment, the price has just been extremely weak over the last few days. Today, Ether is outperforming Bitcoin a little bit, which is good to see. So again, they sometimes move on their own, and it's good to see that Ether did hold the communicated micro support level here, which we talked about in yesterday's videos, between 3,439 and 3,527. No need to change the micro until we break below micro support. Okay, so still though, I'd like to see the price stretch a bit higher to fulfill the expectations of this structure. And if it can't, then I would have to assume that we are in this B wave pullback, which would be just a different way how this B wave could unfold. It would be a WXY pattern in that case, WXY, and in the Y wave then an A, B, C, and the B wave might be unfolding now as an A, B, C. So again, don't worry so much about the micro. What is more important than the micro structure is the support. And below 3,439, I think we have some evidence that the structure is at least morphing and that possibly already the wave B has topped. But because we haven't reached those larger degree targets yet, I would like to see first further evidence that the wave C has indeed started to the downside. I would first explore if the structure is just morphing, transforming into something different, and we get just a little bit of a delay in that move to the upside. Okay, so hopefully that's clear. Those corrective patterns always have the potential to morph and transform. But for now, until I see a break of micro support, I follow this yellow roadmap and track this primarily. And so far, the price is respecting it. Now, in this yellow B wave count, the idea is that we had an initial A-B structure. The C wave to the upside is unfolding now, and we already have 3 waves to the upside in wave C. We have a wave 4 pullback, and it's possible that the wave 5 has started. In this scenario, the wave 4 bottomed on Wednesday, and we already saw an A wave to the upside of wave 5, B wave pullback. The C wave could be unfolding right now. It might just need one more high, but then we probably won't reach the 3,818 level. So something would need to happen here, possibly that ABC structure is only the A wave of wave 5. Then we get a B and a C. Okay, so this is just something to be aware of, because this C wave here has actually reached already targets, because if we take the length of the A wave, then we go to the low of the B wave, it actually reached the 100% extension. Surely it can extend higher, it might need one more high, it looks like it needs one more high, but then I'm not sure if it will stretch all the way to 3,818, possibly not, so some kind of morphing and transforming is probably going on there. Maybe it's forming a larger triangle. I mean, maybe this wave 4 is just unfolding as a triangle, or it's already this B wave which could unfold as a triangle. Both, however, would then push higher. Okay, so I would just, all I can say is I'd like to see the price get to 3,818 plus, and then there are a few ways how this could happen on the micro level, but I think it's clear that we're still in some kind of a correction, but also that this B wave rally has clearly not topped yet, or at least there's no evidence for it. So we're still focusing on short term a little bit higher, but we have to be very mindful that at any point this B wave could top, but not, ideally not until we form one more high. Yeah, that's my update about Ether. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.